Welcome back. Let's look at day 4. It's Friday. So we're going to look at completing the slide that's labeled day 4 in the Hero Project and submitting. We want to make sure we turn this in today. It's due today. Turn it in. Okay, so that was the agenda. So you're going to open your week 1 Hero Project and your discussion post should be done by now. Go ahead and open your Hero Project. And then when you're in your Hero Project, you're going to the last slide, slide 7. Okay, so we're on day 4, another 10-point assignment here today. Right here, we're 10 points. Okay, this should be kind of fun. You're going to use pictures or Google Images and create a collage that represents the hero that you wrote about on slide 2. So go back to slide 2 to see who you wrote about. So for my slide 2, I wrote about my sister, Mrs. Greenlee. So I don't know who you wrote about, but now I'm going to create a collage based on her. You came up with someone else, I'm sure. So now just grab some pictures that represent your hero. So I might do a picture of Mrs. Greenlee herself. Maybe I said she's a good listener, so maybe a picture of an ear. She taught my kids how to ride bikes, so maybe a bicycle picture. So look back at what you wrote and then grab some pictures. I would say maybe at least 5 pictures and organize them on this page. So here's just a quick example. I grabbed 5 pictures that went along with what I wrote about, that she's taught me teaching strategy, she's a good listener, she helps others. I also included the Marvel comics because she loves Marvel comics. There's a couple of other teachers that I'm sure you recognize. Make your collage nice, neat. You can kind of move things around and have fun with it. And then let's make sure we get this submitted. So remember then to go back to Schoology, go back to your Hero Project, open that up, and then make sure you hit the submit button. Now your screen will look a little bit different than mine because mine shows me who submitted, but I can't remember really what yours looks like. But please make sure you hit the submit button, and then I think you see a rocket ship to show that it has been submitted. So that way we can see it and it can get graded.